Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back to making some crafts, and in today's video I'll show you how to make a small, lightweight and super portable junk journal that also works like a mini binder. It is perfect for holding small journal items like stickers and some souvenir tickets. And you can even use it to dry small flowers and leaves. Now, for this project, we'll only be using some brown paper bags, a piece of string or ribbon or whatever you have on hand. It could be a string or ribbon, a pair of scissors, a puncher, and optionally a bit of Velcro. To begin, decide how many brown bags you'd like to use and set one bag aside. For this demo, I'm using 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to set aside one of the bags. Then I'll take these remaining bags and I'm going to push out the bottom part like what I'm doing here. So this is the second bag. The bottom part is pushed out. We're gonna do the same thing for the other remaining bags. This is the last. The last of the remaining bags. Same thing, push out the bottom part. And once you have them looking like this, we're going to trim this portion. We're going to cut from this point to that point. So we're going to do that for all 3 remaining bags. After trimming the 3 bags, this is how each of the bags should look. You have basically 2 holes from this end and that end. Next, I'm going to grab this bag that we have set aside and we're going to cut. You see this flap? We're going to cut this portion open and the sides to create a flap. Now we have a flap. Then I'm going to stack and fold all of the trimmed bags into this final bag with a flap to form a book. Next, I'm going to grab my puncher to create the holes on the side of the book. I use this line and this line as my guides, and that's where my puncher goes in. Now, if the book is too thick, you can separate the bags and punch holes on them individually. Now this is how it looks after binding the pages with strings. I used more brown paper bags in this book. That's why it is thicker. And I also trimmed the sides of the flap. That way it's not so boring. Lastly, I'm going to add Velcro to the flap to keep it closed when I'm not working on my journal. If you do not have a Velcro, you can just put a string or a ribbon around your journal. This is one of my completed projects, and this is another one. This is thinner, and I decorated the flap with an Easter themed table napkin. Now I have a couple of lightweight and rustic junk journals. This DIY is perfect for this time of the year when we're still in a period of hibernation and the cold weather doesn't exactly invite us outdoors. I make one of these every year so I have a special place to keep items that remind me of meaningful moments as the year unfolds. While many people think that the new year begins on January 1st, the Earth actually resets in March during the spring equinox when balance returns and new life begins. Creating your journal now means it will be ready to welcome that fresh energy when the equinox arrives. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you all for watching. I am the Urban Witch, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!